Hey everyone, welcome to the Lightning Brains channel. Today we're stepping into the future of immersive tech with our picks for the best VR headsets you can get right now. Whether you're exploring virtual worlds, diving into intense VR gaming, or working in creative 3D spaces, the right headset makes all the difference. In this video, we'll break down the top options based on visual clarity, tracking accuracy, comfort, performance, and overall value. From standalone devices to PC-powered beasts, we've got something for every type of user. Links to all the featured VR headsets are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let's jump in and discover which VR headset is the perfect fit for your next adventure. Number 5. Valve Index. The Valve Index virtual reality headset marks a significant leap in the realm of virtual reality, offering an immersive and high-fidelity experience that's hard to match. With the inclusion of the Valve Index VR kit, users are welcomed into new worlds with stunning realism. An exciting aspect of owning this headset is the complimentary access to Half-Life: Alyx, a game that promises to redefine VR gaming. Additionally, Valve Index owners are treated to unique bonuses, such as special environments from Half-Life, Alyx in Steam VR Home, alternate gun skins, and exclusive content for Counter-Strike: Global Offensive, enhancing the overall gaming experience. The kit is comprehensive, featuring not just the headset, but integrated headphones, various cables, a power supply, controllers, and Steam VR 2.0 base stations, complete with all necessary stands and mounting hardware. The attention to detail extends to user comfort, with headset cradle adapters for different head sizes and a face gasket for a snug fit. To utilize this marvel of technology, a Valve Index-ready PC is required, ensuring that the system's capabilities are fully harnessed for an unparalleled VR experience. Whether it's for gaming, exploring virtual environments, or experiencing new dimensions of interactivity, the Valve Index virtual reality headset is a gateway to uncharted territories of digital immersion. Number 4. HP Reverb G2. The HP Reverb G2 virtual reality headset, developed in collaboration with Valve and Microsoft, is a testament to the evolution of VR technology, offering an unparalleled immersive experience. It stands out with its industry-leading lenses and speakers from Valve, providing users with crystal-clear visuals and spatial audio that make virtual worlds come alive. The headset features 2160 by 2160 LCD panels per eye, allowing users to perceive even the most intricate details with exceptional clarity. Designed for comfort, the Reverb G2 adapts to various face shapes and sizes, thanks to its flexible material and adjustable lenses, ensuring a custom fit for extended periods of use. With 4 built-in cameras, the headset offers superior tracking capabilities, capturing a wide range of movements without the need for external sensors. The controllers are ergonomically designed, offering a comfortable and natural grip. Compatibility is another strong suit of the Reverb G2, as it seamlessly integrates with both Steam VR and Windows mixed reality platforms, providing access to a vast array of VR content. The setup is straightforward, making it easy for users to dive into the VR experience. This headset is designed for those seeking high-quality VR experiences, be it in gaming, educational simulations, or exploring virtual environments. With its advanced features and compatibility, the HP Reverb G2 is more than just a VR headset, it's a gateway to new realities. Number 3. Sony PlayStation VR 2. The Sony PlayStation VR 2 virtual reality headset marks a significant leap in immersive gaming experiences. Featuring the innovative PlayStation VR 2 Sense technology, it brings emotions and environments to life with subtle headset vibrations, 3D audio, and intelligent eye tracking. The experience is heightened with the PSVR 2 Sense controller's haptic feedback and adaptive triggers, providing a tactile and responsive gaming environment. The headset's smart design includes a comfortable, balanced fit with Fresnel lenses and airflow vents to reduce fogging, ensuring prolonged gaming sessions remain comfortable. The headset's inside-out tracking captures every movement precisely, eliminating the need for external cameras and enhancing the sense of freedom. Plugging in with a single USB cable into the PS5 console, it offers a seamless setup. The PSVR 2 introduces a range of exciting titles like Resident Evil Village and Horizon Call of the Mountain, among others, transporting players to new worlds and adventures. The package includes the VR headset, PSVR 2 Sense controllers, stereo headphones, and other essentials, providing everything needed for the next generation VR experience. The PlayStation VR 2 not only represents a substantial upgrade in virtual reality gaming, but also invites players into an era of unparalleled interactive experiences, defining the future of immersive entertainment. Number 2. MetaQuest II. The MetaQuest II virtual reality headset is a portal to new dimensions, offering a blend of entertainment, fitness, social interaction, and productivity. With its powerful hardware, including a super-fast processor and high-resolution display, this headset delivers a smooth, seamless experience, even in the most action-packed scenarios. Its wireless design, internal tracking, and built-in battery provide the ultimate freedom in exploring virtual worlds without the constraints of wires. The 3D positional audio, hand tracking, and haptic feedback immerse users in a realistic virtual environment, enhancing the overall experience. The intuitive touch controllers translate natural movements into VR, making interactions feel authentic, whether you're in a virtual office or a zero-gravity arena. Safety features like the Guardian Boundary System ensure users can explore with confidence, alerting them to the edges of their play space. Designed for comfort, the light and adjustable headset includes a padded interface, allowing users to focus on their virtual experiences without distraction. The MetaQuest II offers an expansive library of over 350 titles, ranging from gaming and fitness to social and entertainment experiences, suitable for a diverse audience. In terms of productivity, it transforms how we work, enabling face-to-face collaboration in virtual spaces. For fitness enthusiasts, it offers a new way to work out, with virtual coaches and exotic locations. The MetaQuest II is more than just a gaming device. It's a comprehensive tool for virtual exploration and interaction, bringing incredible experiences right to your living room. Number 1. MetaQuest III. The MetaQuest III virtual reality headset is a transformative device that reinvents your home into a mixed reality playground. It features the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2, offering double the GPU processing power of its predecessor, the MetaQuest II, for more seamless gameplay and stunning full-color, high-resolution pass-through. With a storage capacity of up to 512 gigabytes, it supports a wide array of applications, from high-intensity gaming to immersive fitness programs. The headset boasts a high-fidelity visual experience with a 2064 by 2208 pixel resolution per eye and a refresh rate up to 120 Hz, enhancing the clarity and immersion of your virtual adventures. Ergonomically designed, it comes with a soft adjustable strap and a 40% slimmer pancake optic profile, ensuring comfort during extended use. The integrated stereo speakers with 3D spatial audio add to the realism, enveloping you in your virtual environment. MetaQuest III also offers advanced hand tracking technology, allowing intuitive control without the need for controllers. Its extensive library of over 500 titles, backward compatibility, and PC support via MetaQuest Link cable ensure a vast playground of experiences. With an average battery life of up to 2.2 hours and a quick charging feature, the headset is ready for prolonged sessions of gaming, socializing, or productivity. Enhanced privacy features, including data encryption and an external LED indicator for camera usage, ensure a secure and private experience. This groundbreaking headset represents a significant leap in virtual reality technology, providing users with an unparalleled immersive experience in gaming, fitness, social connectivity, and beyond. So that's it for the best VR headsets of this year. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive notifications of our latest videos. Thanks for watching.